In this video, I'll detail how to use Apple Watch hidden camera. So if you have an Apple Watch and you have an iPhone, both devices are connected together, you can easily turn your Apple Watch into a camera. Mark you, this is not the same as most of the videos you see out there where they pull out the Apple Watch digital crown and then turn this to a camera. The way Apple Watch camera works different from that. So here basically I'm going to show you how you can easily use your Apple Watch camera with your iPhone. So if I don't know this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, when you want to use your Apple Watch camera, all you just need to do is press the Apple Watch digital crown once. Now scroll down, keep scrolling until you see the camera icon on your Apple Watch. See that? So if your Apple Watch do not have the camera icon, this implies that you cannot use your Apple Watch as a camera. Now to use your Apple Watch camera, just tap on it. Then you should see a pop that says wait 3 seconds. If you click on 3 seconds like this is going to start the countdown and it's going to open your iPhone camera like this. Now let's go ahead and do this. Scroll down and click on the camera icon. Then you see that it's going to automatically open the iPhone camera. Then whatever you put your iPhone, you should be able to see it on your Apple Watch like this, and then you'll be able to snap it straight away. Can you see that? So this is how the Apple Watch camera works. Now, if you click on the countdown, this is going to take 3 seconds for the Apple Watch camera to work, and then it's going to snap it straight away. Then you can click on it here just like this. Then the same thing is going to come up on your iPhone camera. However, to customize the Apple Watch camera, all you just need to do is this. Once you launch the camera on your Apple Watch and the camera launched on your iPhone, click on these 3 dots here. Then you can disable timer like this. Also, do you want to use the rear camera or front camera on your Apple Watch? You see that? So once you selected the rear camera, scroll down and click on the down button. Now close the camera, then go ahead and open it again on your Apple Watch. Then the camera is going to open the front camera, and that is exactly what you're seeing here. Whenever I put my iPhone camera on my face, it's going to show on my Apple Watch. Then I can just go ahead and click on the shutter button. Then I can open this on my Apple Watch. You see that? I can also open the same photo on my iPhone. Now, to disable or turn on flashlight on your Apple Watch, all you just need to do is come down to flash. See this? Then there is auto, there is on, there is off. Then if you scroll down again, you can disable, turn on or turn off live photo on your Apple Watch. You can also turn off or turn on HDR on Apple Watch camera. Then you can change to rear camera. Click on done. So once you change to rear camera on your Apple Watch, this is going to change the Apple Watch camera from front camera to rear camera. So scroll down again like this. If I switch to rear camera on the iPhone, this is what I'm going to get. Now mark you can also zoom on the Apple Watch. So is it this? Using the slider button. So just go ahead and tap the shutter button. Saved. So that is how you can easily use Apple Watch camera on your device. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.